automotive mania, the 2005 Rolls Royce Ghost is not just a luxury car. It's a masterpiece of British engineering and elegance, redefined for the future. On the outside, the Ghost carries the signature Rolls-Royce styling, sleek, smooth, and graceful, but with a modern twist that makes it more dynamic than ever before. The iconic Pantheon grille has been slightly reshaped for better aerodynamics, and it now features an illuminated effect that gives the car an unmistakable presence during the night. Every inch of the Ghost's body has been sculpted to enhance its majestic flow, with precise lines and seamless surfaces that make it appear as if it's gliding even while standing still. Under the hood, the 2025 Ghost continues to use the legendary 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine, tuned to deliver an even more refined and powerful performance. Producing around 600 horsepower, the Ghost accelerates effortlessly, reaching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, a remarkable feat. For a vehicle of this size and class, the engine is paired with an advanced satellite-aided transmission system, which uses GPS data to anticipate road conditions and adjust gear shifts for an ultra-smooth driving experience. Whether cruising on the highway or gliding through the city, the Ghost delivers performance that feels both powerful and serene. The 2025 model introduces a new level of interior luxury, even by Rolls-Royce standards. As soon as you open the doors, you're welcomed into a world of handcrafted excellence. The cabin is a symphony of rich leather, rare wood veneers, and high-quality metal accents. Ambient lighting has been upgraded, offering customizable moods that range from calming twilight to energizing brilliance. One of the standout features is the new Starlight headliner, which now includes shooting star animations and customizable constellations based on the buyer's birth date or personal preferences. Technology in the 2025 Ghost blends invisibly into the background, providing convenience without ever distracting from the driving or passenger experience. The infotainment system features a large old touchscreen, now more responsive and intuitive than ever, with seamless integration of voice commands and gesture control, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a new high-powered road prediction system ensure both safety and comfort at all times. The Ghost also includes the new Silent Drive Plus system, which enhances Rolls-Royce's legendary cabin quietness by using active noise cancellation technology paired with specially developed tires that reduce road vibration. One of the most unique additions to the 2025 Ghost is the Whisper Suite configuration, available for the rear passenger compartment. This transforms the back seats into a space of unmatched tranquility, with reclining seats, a champagne cooler, rear infotainment, tablets, and noise-canceling headrests. The Whisper Suite is specifically designed for those who prefer to be chauffeured, ensuring that every journey feels like a serene escape from the outside world. Rolls-Royce has also taken strides in sustainability with the 2025 Ghost. While the car remains powered by a V12 engine, the materials used in the cabin include eco-friendly leather tanning methods and responsibly sourced wood. Rolls-Royce is preparing for a fully electric future, and this Ghost is a bridge between the glorious combustion engine past and the electric promise of tomorrow. An electric variant of the Ghost is rumored to be in development, expected to be unveiled in the next couple of years. The driving dynamics of the Ghost have also been fine-tuned, with the updated planar suspension system. The ride quality is so smooth it's often compared to flying on a magic carpet. This system uses a camera to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension accordingly, providing unmatched ride comfort. The all-wheel steering and all-wheel drive give the Ghost surprising agility, making it more maneuverable than you'd expect from a car of its stature. Customization is at the heart of Rolls-Royce ownership, and the 2025 Ghost offers nearly limitless possibilities. From bespoke paint options to personalized monograms stitched into the headrests, every detail can be tailored to the owner's taste. Rolls-Royce's in-house design team works closely with clients to bring their vision to life, ensuring that each Ghost is a truly one-of-a-kind creation. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ghost starts at a premium level, with base models beginning around $350,000 USD. However, most buyers opt for heavy customization, often pushing the final price well beyond $100,000. But for Rolls-Royce clientele, the price is less about cost and more about value. The value of owning an automotive icon that embodies the very essence of luxury and individuality. Driving the 2025 Ghost is not just about transportation, it's about emotion. The feeling of closing the power-assisted doors with a gentle touch. The sensation of gliding in absolute silence. The pride of seeing the spirit of ecstasy leading the way. It's an experience that no other car can offer. The Ghost manages to be both modern and timeless, innovative yet rooted in tradition, powerful but never brash. In the world of ultra-luxury sedans, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost stands alone. It's a symbol of success, craftsmanship, and vision. A car that doesn't just meet expectations, it transcends them. For those who demand the best and accept nothing less, the Ghost continues to be the ultimate statement of refined excellence. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the rear cabin, the 2025 Ghost offers a journey unlike any other, a journey defined by silence, grace, and absolute control. This is not just a car, it's Rolls-Royce. Welcome to the future of luxury.